you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Y'all, I know it's been a little minute. Y'all, I done came back from short hair and everything, y'all. Okay, but for real, welcome back, y'all. So last time I told y'all I had a lot going on. Look, I do got a lot going on for real, y'all. That's why I haven't really been posting. I'm in school. I've been doing doubles so I can graduate a little early. Like, y'all, it's just a lot. And then these last 2 weeks I've been sick. I don't have COVID. I done got tested twice. I don't have COVID. My sinuses been messing up. I have ear infections. I got an ear infection right now. My ears draining. It's just, life. It happens, So, yeah, right now I'm in my bathroom. Y'all already know. Okay, so about this, another little situation about recording. I like to record in my bathroom. Like, I love recording in my bathroom. I love sitting in my mirror. I do have a vanity in my room, but I like standing in the mirror and like actually looking at myself, like, to see what I'm doing. But when I turn the light on in the bathroom, the fan goes on as well. And that's another reason why in my videos I talk before I go into the video, and then like the rest of the video I don't talk. Like, I just like speed up the video. And that's because this fan is so annoying. Like, that is so annoying to me. If it's annoying to me, I know it's annoying to y'all. So that's another reason why I really haven't been posting, because I don't really have nowhere to record my videos like that. But yeah, y'all. Okay, so this is what we're about to do. I'm about to show y'all. Okay, wait. I did record a video the other day, and I just finished editing it last night. But I don't really like how that video turned out, so I won't be posting that. It was me perming my hair for the first time by myself. So next time I perm my hair, I probably would record that. But this video, it didn't come out how I planned, so I won't post that one. But I'm about to show y'all how I reinstall my wigs. Y'all, I'm kind of hyped because I want to try to do baby hairs. Y'all know every time I do a wig video, I don't do baby hairs. I be want to do baby hairs, but then again, I be like, because if it don't turn out right, I'll be mad. But, let's just try, it's the first for everything. So, I'm about to try to do these baby hairs. So I did go to the beauty supply store. I bought me some boho, and I bought me these wig caps. I don't know which one I want to use yet. I think I might use this one. I don't know. I gotta see how I look at my head. But yeah, I got me some braided hair. This is old, y'all. I'm about to go in and braid my hair, and yeah, y'all, I'm just about to show y'all step by step what I do. Please excuse the fan, don't come for me, y'all, because but yeah, of course, this is the wig that I have. This is the wig from AS Sisters wig. I think my last video was me flat iron this wig, and it did curl back up. The lace not really dirty, but I do have to go in and like clean up a little bit. I just washed this wig not too long ago, so I don't really have to do too much to. I don't have to wash or anything. But yeah, we're about to clean this lace. After I clean the lace, I'm gonna go in and braid my hair, and yeah, let's get into it. Alright, y'all, so I already parted my hair. I don't know why I thought I was gonna braid my hair. My short hair with these long nails. Okay, let's just try, y'all. Let me see if I can do it. If I can't do it, I'm about to just jump back and put a cap on, because I ain't got time. But let's just try to braid it. Let's see what we can do. Yeah, I don't think I can do it. Alright, so as y'all can tell, I couldn't braid it down. So we about to slick this hair back, put some oil on it, and put a cap on, cause I got time to be braided, trying to braid with long nails. So I'm about to grease my scalp. I look so crazy right now, y'all. And then I'm gonna go in with, I'm always saying going in, girl, going in. But I'm about to get some. Got to be. I honestly thought this was the clear got to be, and it's not. But this worked really good, so I think I might just stick with this one. But it turns white though, so slick the edges back. I forgot my blow dryer. I don't feel like going to get it. I'll be alright. If I really need it, I'll go get it, but I don't feel like going to get it right now. First thing you want to do is braid your hair down. If you have long hair. If you have long hair, you can braid your hair down or like slick it back in a ponytail, like a real smooth ponytail. And like put like a little bun in the back or whatever. But I'm not braiding my hair down. So slit this bad boy back. And now I'm about to put a wig cap on. Alright. So let's put this cap on. I need to make sure my hair like slit back. Alright. So after you put your cap on, I should have got all my supplies out before I started the video, but I didn't. So I keep reaching my scene. But I'm dang, I gotta get my blow dryer, y'all. Hold on, I'll be back. Alright, so I got my handy dandy blow dryer. So now I'm spray the front. We got to be. I think I'm gonna cut the ears out first. You can either spray first and then cut the ears, or cut the ears, spray first. Girl, it don't matter, y'all. Just make sure you cut the ears, okay? But I think I'm gonna cut the ears first and then spray. Be careful. Don't cut yourself. Alright. I cut this a little too far. Okay. Oh man. Alright. Whatever. So you'll get your got to be, and you're gonna spray. Okay, I don't know where this is spraying, but it's not spraying where I need to spray. Alright. Alright, that's more better. Y'all, I really don't know why it's spraying out like this, but whatever, child. Just be careful when you're taking your wig off and your wig cap, because you don't want to pull your edges out. Y'all, I meant to say this in the beginning of the video. I don't know how to do wigs for real. I just watch a whole bunch of videos and just figured out how to do it on my own. But so you want to make sure it's completely dry before you start cutting. So I'm gonna go in. I do have some little I don't know what you call those scissors, but they little tiny scissors. But they messed up, so I gotta use these. I'm gonna cut. Oh, I'm cutting my nail. I'm cutting my lace. I mean, my wig cap. Y'all actually be so close up on my mirror so I can see what I'm doing, but I'm recording so I can't do that. But I think I need to cut it a little bit more. Alright, so let me try my wig on, see where this lace is at. So I'm gonna spray these sides again. Sure, your cap is laid down, and I'm gonna go in and lay this down some more too. Okay, now that I got the sides dry, so the little piece that was in the back, I did tie it and tuck it in. Well, I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah, I'm gonna use my got to be and just go around my edges and make sure the cap is like slit, like I'm bald head. Okay. So now that I'm finished molding my wig cap down, I'm gonna use a little alcohol wipe and clean around the edges. I think I should have put my makeup on first and then do this, but take my makeup, put it on my wig cap. Y'all, I'm not a professional. I just be trying. I just be going with the flow. If it turn out right, turn out right. If not, take it off and do it again. I be mad for real when I gotta do that. But okay. This is giving ball heat. Alright, so I'm gonna take my little makeup pad, my little alcohol pad and clean up around the edges again. Now I'm gonna clean my wig because I forgot to do it when I first started. So I'm gonna clean my wig with another little alcohol pad. After I clean my wig, I'm gonna take my gold spine. Bolo. I'll probably do 4 layers. I usually do 3, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and do 4. And I just put it like in front of my cap, and I put some like on my cap. I actually seen somebody else do this, y'all, and I was like, why didn't I think about that before? I was struggling with wig caps. I used to hate them. I kind of still do, but I'm trying to protect my edges, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the little wig cap on. That was the last layer. Purple glue. Just clean up a little bit because I think I put the glue too far. So I'm gonna put my wig on before this layer dries. So when I put my wig on, I had to like turn my head, like, to make sure that I'm not putting my wig too far back, because I got a big forehead and I ain't trying to be looking crazy out here. So I turn my forehead and make sure like it's on there right. Whew, yo, that was a struggle. But now that I'm finished applying my wig, I'm gonna wrap it up for a little while. I really don't know how long I'm gonna wrap it, but I'm gonna wrap it, let the glue dry a little more. I'm about to take a shower, and then I'll come back and do my baby hairs. Alright, y'all. So, I'm back. Just got a shower. I let my lace marinate for a little bit. So now I'm about to attempt to do the baby hairs. I don't know how this is gonna come out, but we're gonna try, y'all. So I think I'm gonna stick to a soft part with this wig. So I might have to fluff a little bit more. I'm gonna take this slick stick. Just slick this going down. Baby hairs for real. I don't know what to do. I honestly don't need baby hairs, but I'm gonna try it. So maybe right here, and then like over here. Right, y'all? Let me have it like. Girl, no job. Okay. Okay, maybe we start with this first. y'all. I can't do baby hairs. I don't know. Maybe I'll try on a newer wig, but I can't do it. I was so happy in the beginning of the video, and now I'm just like, whatever. But I did show y'all how I reinstall my wig, so hopefully y'all got something from this video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. I don't know when the next time I'm gonna post, but I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace. Peace.